How to remove battery on a Troy-Bilt 7000 watt XP generator and install new battery.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer for the solution to your problem. My name is XXXXX I. I'm going to assist you with this. I have not actually changed a battery on this particular genset, but it is the same as many that I have changed a battery on. What you need to do is to remove the fuel tank to get it out. On a few sets, you can loosen the fuel tank and lift it high enough for the battery to clear, but most often it must be completely removed.
There appears to be a battery tray the battery sits in. It looks like you could slide the battery out if you can clear the lip on the front of the tray. It looks like loosening the screws on the front of the tray might drop it down enough to clear the lip by sliding the battery out laterally, then there would not be a need to remove the fuel tank. Trouble is, those screws to drop the tray down are tough access. Can you give me more info to go on?
Yes, the battery has to go up over the lip on the battery tray. Unfortunately, the bolts for the battery tray are in from above, which is why the fuel tank needs to be loosened or removed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.